Hello everyone, Shanta here. Hope you guys are having a beautiful day. So I'm here sharing with you guys my Tonic craft kit number 9. I went ahead on and joined the club, and I went on and paid for 3 months in advance, which at this point I sort of regret I did that because I'm not really fun on the one that's coming out. But anywho, I'm going to share with you this one, what came in my box. And they was a long time sending this one out this month. So I don't know what happened with that, but it eventually came. So we have in here Nouveau Mousse right here. Ooh, can you see that? Nouveau Mousse right here. And well, it doesn't. Oh, coral. We have a mousse in a bronze color. We have some glitter. That color glitter. Ivory Sands glitter. These two, they remind you of beauty blenders. If anybody that do makeup and do them, I have 2 of those. They call them blending sponges. This is some sequins, some vanilla colored sequins. This is a extremely tiny caramel cream little crystal dewdrop. This is really tiny. And then the surprise were these stencils, which is really cute. These stencils, they feel like paper, but I don't know if they paper or not. But these cute stencils right here. And then you got a little sticker. These are the dies. Tonic craft kit number 9, the dies. You get these stamps in here. These stamps. Let me do it like that. And then the dies are just like the bag die that it's the bag die, just like the big dies that I showed not too long ago. So those are the dies right there. And then you get some cardstock. I was excited about these smaller bags because the other ones are huge. And then these are the cardstocks that comes in here. And oh, I love this one. It's like a rose print. Let me zoom out a little bit. Ooh, like a rose print. And we have their glitter. And it doesn't look like it flakes off. That gold. This is another type of cardstock. All of them have weight to them. And then this is another one. Gorgeous. This sheen is absolutely stunning. Just a plain cream and a plain red. So that is the kit. Let me just go back over the papers again just in case I went too fast, because I've moved just as quick as I talk. And I have some of these I ordered from a store. It takes about 2 months to get your stuff, but I'm so glad I did to see these in person. At least I know I made the right decision. So that's my kit for this month. That's everything that came in it. I do believe my kit is correct. Yes. And that is it. All right, so you guys have a wonderful day. I'll be back with another video. Well, no, hopefully I'll attach what I've made onto the end of this, okay? So I'm going to do that, and then I'll be back. Bye. Hello, everybody. Okay, so I'm back. Oh, excuse me. So I wanted to share with you guys, after I put those little bags together, what I did. So this is one that I did, and I just did the inset, and then I put vellum, gold vellum. I backed it with gold vellum, and I just cut off those tabs that you can use to close them off, and just made the bag, you know, like that, just like a regular bag. Here is the first one that I did, and I actually made a mistake. I didn't was trying to watch TV and craft and forgot that this was like an inlay die, but it still worked out. I just fussy cut around it and glued it on the outside because I did not want to waste that beautiful cardstock. This, I guess, it's like a pearlescent type of cardstock that came in with the kit, this red. So this is that one. Then I didn't put the slit on. I just figured I would close it like this. And then the last one I did, I just simply added cardstock on the outside, a solid layer on the outside. This is some Gina K pattern paper. So these are not decorated, of course. I just wanted to show you them with the kit because now they have shipped out the second kit, the one that I'm not fond of. But this is it in comparison to the big box. So you can get an idea. And this bag, because I always try to show the measurements, it's right here. The sides right there, bottom. So it's a cute little bag to stuff little trims and stuff in. Obviously this one I showed in another video is taller and wider, but this one is not too shabby either. All right, so that's it. I'm gonna merge these two videos together and upload this, and I'll be back with another video, you guys. Bye.